comma, from another perspective, comma, the driver and his family were short-changed, full stop. Unfortunately, comma, life is more complex than emotions, comma, all else being equal applies more to it than the same changes often refer, full stop. It can take the authorities several years to process claims and determine compensation, full stop. Why? Question mark. Because the concerned bodies have the unbelievable task of determining the worth of each life lost, full stop. Economic and non-economic losses are considered, full stop. The former consists of losses in expected income in case of death or decreases resulting from disability, full stop. The non-economic losses include pain, comma, trauma, comma, and short to long-term psychological impacts, full stop. To assess economic losses, comma, factors like the victim's age, comma, academic qualification, comma, means of livelihood, comma, income at the time of death, oblique disability, comma, health condition, comma, and life expectancy are all factored into their earnings from what is determined to be their expected working life, full stop. Paragraph. Depending upon local laws and other factors, comma, more or different factors may be thrown in or removed from the book, full stop. Back to the incident, comma, a 30-year-old driver earning, comma, let us assume 35,000 a month, will not earn more than a 50-year-old engineer earning rupees 5 million a month, possibly for the next 10 years, comma, assuming 60 to be the age of superannuation for both, full stop. Of course, comma, these formula assume that the driver would remain that and will not branch out into entrepreneurship, and that the engineer would retain his ability to construct projects for another 10 years, full stop. Hopefully, comma, a clearer picture is beginning to emerge by now as to how your life may be worth more than mine when it comes down to hardcore, comma, economic number crunching, full stop. Paragraph. Before condemning this or that socio-economic framework, let us bear in mind that even in the old tribal codes, comma, still practiced today, a chief's blood money is many times higher than that of his family members, whose lives are considered far dearer than those of a tribe member, full stop. Victim compensation is a specialized field in developed economies. Its calculation is entrusted to attorneys and individual are made by courts or boards of funds set up by governments in the aftermath of losses from calamities, disasters, wars or acts of terrorism. Full stop.